Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Pinterest account. So if you want to delete your Pinterest account, you can do it by using this feature of Pinterest. First you need to log into your Pinterest account on Pinterest tab, and here you need to select the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option there are lots of options will be given, but you need to click on the privacy and data, and under privacy and data you need to scroll down, and here you will find a option called delete your data and account. Once you click this option, it will show your email, and it will show you a button to delete that account. Click on that button. Now it will ask your reason why you are leaving Pinterest. Select that reason, and after this click on continue. Pinterest will send you an email, and once you verified that email with your password, your Pinterest account has been deleted. I hope this guide was helpful, and you will be able to delete the Pinterest account of your Pinterest app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.